Second grade Common Core Content Standard 2.md.a.4. Measure to determine how much longer one object is than another, expressing the length difference in terms of a standard length unit. This standard calls for us to measure two different objects using the same unit of length. So you might measure two things in inches or measure two things in centimeters. Whatever the unit is, you have to measure two different things with the same unit. We then need to compare the two objects by subtracting the smaller measurement from the larger measurement. So if we have an object that is 14 inches and an object that is 9 inches, we would do the 14 inches minus 9 inches, which equals 5 inches. And then we would have to say that one object is 5 inches taller or 5 inches longer than another object. In this example, we are going to measure two different fruit. Here's an apple, and the apple is 4 inches tall. Notice how, in order to measure the apple, the 0 on the ruler is lined up with the bottom of the apple, because that is where we start measuring. Here we have a couple of cherries. Once again, the bottom of the cherries is lined up with the 0 on the ruler. The cherries measure 2 inches. So how much taller is the apple than the cherries? 4 inches minus 2 inches equals 2 inches. So the apple is 2 inches taller than the cherries.